Asian markets surging as KOSPI explodes 4.4%, leading a broad regional rally ahead of the Friday open. Wall Street closed flat, but U.S. futures are steady, signaling a positive open for Asia. The Nikkei 225 climbed 0.46% to 66,422, supported by tech and financials. The Hang Seng added 1.28% to 25,210, driven by Hong Kong tech and property. The KOSPI soared 4.4% to 7,096, a massive breakout on massive volume, after Samsung Electronics and chipmakers jumped on earnings optimism. The Shanghai Composite edged up 0.25% to 3,876, while the ASX 200 gained 0.18% to 8,839. In contrast, the BSE Sensex slipped 0.47% to 76,391, pressured by energy and IT stocks, and Singapore's Straits Times fell 0.24%. Biggest winners: Meituan surged 4.36% to 87.30 on regulatory easing chatter. SoftBank Group rose 3.77% to 5,918 on AI-driven ARM rally. Samsung Electronics jumped 3.65% to 270,000 on pre-earnings momentum. On the downside, Alibaba dropped 2.14% to 114.06 amid China antitrust fears, and Taiwan Semiconductor lost 1.34% to 415.58. Weighed by disappointing U.S. chip data, gold barely moved, up 0.04% to 4,052 as the dollar firmed. Silver fell 0.27% to 57.90. WTI crude held at 92.20, flat after a volatile overnight session on mixed demand signals. Bitcoin slipped 1.34% to 65,143, pressured by regulatory uncertainty, while Ethereum dropped 2.89% to 1,880, underperforming. Lithium and uranium ETFs stayed flat to slightly up, but rare earth and copper miners each fell over 2%, signaling caution on industrial demand. The dollar index rose 0.31% to 101.44, erasing earlier losses as hawkish Fed rhetoric supported the greenback. Dollar yen climbed to 163.85, up 0.46% on continued carry trade flows. Dollar Korean won weakened 0.17% to 1,474, reflecting the KOSPI strength. Dollar Seng advanced 0.19% to 1.29, while the euro and pound each lost ground against the dollar. Looking ahead, eyes are on Japan CPI and South Korea trade data due later. The Hang Seng faces resistance at 25,300. A break above could fuel further gains. The KOSPI's sharp move suggests speculative buying. Watch for profit-taking above 7,200. One trade to consider: long Korea futures on semiconductor momentum, hedged with short yen. This is John Chin, IBN 42 Wire, signing off. Markets move fast. We break it down daily so you don't have to. Subscribe for your edge, delivered fresh every session.